Welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are back to share with you fun crafts you can make for your American Girl boy doll. Gift your special boy doll yummy snacks like these Pringles chips. Or step it up and make your doll mini AirPods so they can rock it out quietly to their favorite tunes. And add in some comfy slides. So let's get making. To start, trace around your doll's foot to get a template for the shoe. Cut it out, then place the template onto paperboard to trace more. Be sure to flip the template over so you get mirrored versions for the left and right feet. We have 6 paperboard cutouts per foot. Then use specialty corrugated cardstock to trace and cut out rippled soles for the shoe. Stack and glue the cutouts together, making sure the corrugated cardstock is on the bottom. Once the glue has dried, we can paint the soles. Since we are making a simple version of Adidas Slides, we chose to go with black paint. While they are drying, cut 2 more shoe shapes from black fun foam. Our foam is 3 mm thick. Next, cut a rectangle from thinner fun foam for the strap. Position it over the bridge of your doll's foot and fold under. In pencil, mark the outside and inside edges of your doll's foot. Temporarily secure the strap with a little low-tack tape. To mimic Adidas's triple stripes, we cut thin strips of black fun foam, applied some liquid glue, then placed it over the strap, leaving a thin band of white at the top. Repeat for the other strips, making sure they are evenly spaced apart. Trim off any excess black fun foam, then set aside to dry. Put more liquid glue on the tab areas to attach the strap to the fun foam insole. Then glue the insole to the sole of the shoe. Great! Our simple slides are ready for the doll to wear. Now let's make a quick and easy can of Pringles chips. You can find our printable in the description box below. First, cut out the label. Then take 2 small glue stick caps and join them together with sticky tape. Roll the label around the caps to get the tube shape. Then seal the side with more sticky tape. You can also cover the label with clear packing tape for that shiny finish. Seal the bottom of the tube using the hot glue method. Push your glue stick caps inside and fill the remaining gap with cotton balls. Or go a step further and cut tiny oval chips from manila cardstock, giving them a gentle curve with your fingertips. With the can full, we need a lid. Print and cut out the circle label. Here we put glue on just half the rim. Center the label on top. When dried, the label will peel back so our tiny chips can be removed. For a final touch, we found a clear juice cap that fit over the tube. We cut it down to size to be the plastic lid for our Pringles can. 2 gifts down, 1 more to make. For super cute doll AirPods, we watched MyFroggyStuff's tutorial and followed her instructions, just upsizing everything to suit the scale of an 18-inch doll. For us, that meant starting with strips of computer paper that were 5 mm wide and wrapping it around a paper clip to get compact paper tubes for the earbuds. Repeat this step with slightly thicker paper strips to roll 2 stems. Affix the stem to the bud, positioning it just off-center depending if it's for the left or right ear. Once the glue has dried, we can give our earbuds a coat of white paint. We are using white nail polish just like MyFroggyStuff does in her video. When the polish has dried, you can add the details using black paint and a toothpick. Using silver paint or nail polish, brush a little across the bottom of the stem for the microphone detail. You can stop here or go further and make a case to hold the AirPods. This is where we deviate from MyFroggyStuff's tutorial. From white cardstock, cut 2 thin strips for the case and lid. Cut a quarter of one strip to make a paper ring with a diameter about 1 centimeter. Use the remaining strip to begin a second paper ring. When it gets to the thickness of the first ring, join them together and continue wrapping with the cardstock strip to get an 8 shape. Repeat this step to make another for the lid. Use the same technique to make a 1/2 centimeter tall double tube. Align the larger rings over the double tubes, but before gluing, wrap the shorter piece with more paper strips to match the thickness of the case top. Once connected, cover the case with white cardstock for a neat finish. You also need to add more cardstock to the lid piece so they match in thickness too. Glue the case and lid to more cardstock to seal the top and bottom. Once dry, cut them out and connect with a piece of sticky tape. Excellent! The case is complete, and now you can store your doll AirPods safely inside. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. It's free and really helps us out. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!